Welcome my YouTube family. So today we're touring this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Chevron Toge. Now this property is in the market for 250 million naira. It comes with a BQ. Well, it's a 3 unit. We have the front unit, but it's sold out. We just have 2 back units remaining. This one and the other one by this side. But anything you see right here, you've seen there. So the building comes with a global CFO and the building approval. It's available. Now, if you're in the market looking to buy a home that you can come and grow your kids and raise your family, this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex is something you should consider. But you know, I'm going to do it. I'm going to flip the camera and show you everything you need to know about this property. But before going into that, if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Take a second to like, subscribe, drop a comment what you think about this lovely 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Chevron. So let's go into the business of the day. I'm sure after watching this video, you will consider this house to be the next address. You consider this house to be your next address. So join me, let's tour this house together. Okay, so welcome to my channel once again. So today we are touring this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. It's actually a back unit. It's 3 units in total, but this front unit is sold. So we have just this back unit and the other back unit by this side. So, but it's the same design, the same features, everything. So what you're seeing here, you're also seeing at the other back unit. So, but today, for the sake of this video, we are touring this one. So this is a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here with a BQ. So stepping in, you have this driveway. So one thing I like about back unit is you have a very long driveway. You can park, like this one, you can park 3 cars or 2 cars as the case may be. So you stepping in, you have this driveway, you know, that comes with a stamped floor and in line with a carpet grass, the artificial carpet grass, you know, to beautify the compound space. Okay, so you have this beautiful wall light right here, comes with an electric fence by this side. So you have a tap right here if you want to wash your car. It's quite functional. So you have a tap in front of the compound space. Okay, so this is the 4-bedroom semi-detached we are touring. Okay, it comes with a BQ as well, and it's in the market for 250 million naira. Comes with the building approval and the global CFO. Okay, so I would have shown you around the compound. Okay, let me just show you around the compound space before going in. Sorry about the gen sound. So this door takes you into the kitchen. So this door takes you to the kitchen, but we're not going to take that way. I'll still show you there. So this right here is where you have the boys' quarter. But it's locked. Boys' quarter is locked. So this is the backyard of this building. Okay, so let's go into the interior of this house. Okay, so stepping in, you're greeted with this pivot door. This beautiful security door is a pivot door, quite large. So by this side, you have your guest toilet. This beautiful sanitary ware. Love the design. It's looking like cone. So you have your suspended WC right here. Okay. So this is your living area. So you have a window by this side. So this section you can use here for your dining area. So you already have a chandelier light right here. So you just set up your dining area right here. You have your window by this side. So this is your living area. Okay. So by this side, you have your guest room. So this is your guest room, wardrobe, and all room are en suites. So you have your toilet and your bathroom. Every room comes with toilet and a bathroom. So this is your shower area. So comes with a water heater. Okay. So right by this side, this is your kitchen. So this is the kitchen. It's a fully fitted kitchen. Comes with a microwave, an oven, lots of cabinets. Come with your heat extractor, your gas burner. Also comes with a kitchen island. You have your space for your washing machine. Sorry, and also comes with double volume sink. Okay, so this door leads you outside the compound. So this is an exit door, leads you outside the compound. And what do we have here? We have the store. So this building comes with the storeroom. You can store your foodstuffs, your bag of rice, bag of beans. No, just it comes with a storeroom. Okay, so let's head upstairs. So this right here is your family lounge. So this is your family lounge. So by this side, you have two rooms by this section. Room one, so all rooms are in suite. How is it? The water heater. Okay, so let's check out room number two. So all rooms are in suites. Okay, so let's see the master's bed also on this floor. So you have your wardrobe by this side. Okay, so the master's bed gives you access to the balcony. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Okay, so if you want to inspect this house, call the number like showing your screen. And the house is in the market for 250 million naira. Comes with a global CFO and a building approval. It's available. So it's a 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex. And yeah, so thank you for watching this video to the very end. Till I come away next time, thank you and God bless you.